Hey YouTube, it's BMX Dude 2266 again. I'm doing another bike check. This is my 07 Fit Bike AM series. Has a Shadow Conspiracy seat, animal seat clamp, ODI and long neck grips, stock Fit Bike bars, stock stem, and then it has Shadow Conspiracy hollow stem bolts, Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs, Annihilation PBR rim, stock front tire 1.75 width, Shadow Conspiracy axle nuts, Primo V-Monster rear tire, Shadow Conspiracy half-length chain, Shadow Crank and Bones sprocket, and it has stock hubs. And then this is my friend's bike, Gavin. He's gonna tell you about it.
This is my Mongoose 07 stock frame, 25 inch. My Eastern bike frame and hub. Sounds pretty BA. Blue chain. A white stolen sprocket. I painted it orange. Stock cranks. Pedals. Stock seat. Scavenger stickers. Animal Edwin Caldera hand grips, or De La Rosa, I mean. Stock tire, 1.75. Mongoose, of course. Stock stem, and that's about it. And I painted my forks and handlebars. And it weighs about 25 pounds, and just...
It's like probably the lightest mongoose ever.
Yeah.
In the history. Yep.
And there it is. I just pressed this one.